guys, I want to say this really quickly. I'm sorry about the video when I said should I quit and listen up haters. Listen up haters was for only reason because what was I gonna say? Because it was I was making random videos, just having fun time. I didn't mean to upload it. I wasn't meant to do that. I was just gonna delete it right after, just like. But I was just kidding about that, okay? But anyways. Sorry, and I lost one subscriber for that. Anyways, I got Minecraft Story Mode, yay! And so, if you guys are on my Instagram and know my Instagram and stuff, then you guys should know that I have it. And alright, so I'm gonna tell you my Instagram. It's also gonna be in the description, but it's Justin _ Fuller 4783. Okay, and my dog is here, but baby. Yeah. So see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in Minecraft Story Mode.